Namaste everyone, Vaibhavi here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Hindi sentence structure. So are you ready? Let's get started. A basic Hindi sentence structure follows the subject, object, verb order. So what is subject? Subject means pronoun. So in English we use I, we, you, he, she, they. But in Hindi we need to use I for me, we for hum, you, आप, तू, he, वह, वो. वह is formal way and वो is informal way. She, वह, वो. And for they we use वे in Hindi. Okay, so next is what is object. Now I think you clear. I think subject is clear now. So what is object? So object means nouns. For example, book, pen, cap, Taj Mahal, Hindi, English. All the nouns are object. Next is verb. So what is verb? A verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence or state of being. For example, run, jump or write. Few more example like swim, read. Okay. So here I have few examples for you that I am going to show you. So my first example is I read a book. Okay, this is my English sentence. Now I am going to convert it into Hindi. मैं एक किताब पढ़ता हूँ. So for I we use मैं in Hindi. A, एक, किताब, book. To read, पढ़ना. Okay, so here we need to follow that order: subject, object, verb. So what is my subject here? मैं, right? मैं एक किताब. किताब is my object. पढ़ता हूँ, verb. पढ़ता is a verb. So why पढ़ता हूँ? Because speaker is male. If your speaker is female, I mean if female speaker is talking, that time you need to use ती हूँ at the end. Like मैं एक किताब पढ़ती हूँ. ती हूँ for female. I, मैं, a, एक, book, किताब, to read, पढ़ना. मैं एक किताब पढ़ती हूँ. My next sentence is she goes to school. वह स्कूल जाती है. वह. Okay, so for if you see this table, for she we use वह or वो. वह formal way and वो is informal way. So if I using वह, so वह school, school. I mean there is no other word in Hindi for school. There is word but that word we don't use nowadays. वह स्कूल जाती है. वह स्कूल जाती है. जाना to go. She, वह, school, school, to go, जाना. Okay, so जाती है. Subject, object, verb. वह स्कूल जाती है. So why ती है at the end? Because female. That's why. Next sentence is suppose he goes to school. So for he we use वह, right? If you follow that table again, see वह. Okay, so he goes to school. वह स्कूल जाता है. Why जाता है? Because female. Male. जाता है. Okay, so at the end ता है for male and at the end ती है for female. Next sentence is we learn Hindi. हम हिंदी सीखते हैं. We, हम, हिंदी, हिंदी. to learn, सीखना, सीखना. So you need to follow that order: subject, object, verb. So what is my subject here? हम. Object हिंदी. सीखते हैं, verb, सीखते is a verb. So whenever there is a plural form, always if you see, always Hindi sentence ends with ते है, सीखते हैं. हम हिंदी सीखते हैं, ते है. Okay, same for they, like they learn Hindi. For they, which pronoun we use in Hindi? वे. See, वे. वे हिंदी सीखते हैं, प्लूरल फॉर्म अगेन, दैट्स वाई ते है. वे हिंदी सीखते हैं. माई इंग्लिश सेंटेंस इज दे लर्न हिंदी. वे हिंदी सीखते हैं. ओके, गॉट इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आई लर्न हिंदी. मैं हिंदी सीखता हूँ. सो वेन एवर देर इज मे, you need to end your Hindi sentence with who. मैं हिंदी सीखता हूँ. For I we use मैं, हिंदी, to learn, सीखना. मैं is a subject, हिंदी is the object, सीखता हूँ. So here if you see this sentence, speaker is male in this sentence. That's why सीखता हूँ. If speaker is female, that time sentence will be मैं हिंदी सीखती हूँ. ती हूँ at the end. Okay, मैं हिंदी सीखती हूँ for female. मैं हिंदी. If your sentence is I learn Hindi and speaker is female, that time only. Okay, मैं हिंदी सीखती हूँ, female. Okay, this sentence is for male. My next sentence is we eat fruits daily. We, हम. Okay, रोज, daily रोज. Fruits, फल, फल. To eat, खाना. हम रोज फल खाते हैं. Why खाते हैं? Because plural form, we, more than one person, right? So that's why हम रोज फल खाते हैं. Follow order: subject, object, verb. हम रोज फल खाते हैं. So हम is a subject, object is फल here, and खाते is the verb, खाते only. रोज means what? Daily. हम रोज फल खाते हैं. Okay, rose means what? Daily. It's not a rose flower. Okay, next sentence is they eat fruits daily. वे रोज फल खाते हैं, plural form again, they, more than one person. they, वे, daily, रोज, fruits, फल. to eat, खाना. वे रोज फल खाते हैं. वे रोज फल खाते हैं. Okay, thank you so much. So if you really like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep saying namaste. Thank you.